We all want to feel loved and accepted. Throughout all of my journey, there have been so many things that have come up that I have gone against the grain in order to keep myself alive with a terminal diagnosis, in order to walk again after an L1 burst fracture and being told I probably never walk again. All of the things that I've done. For that, the ways I've figured out how to deal with pain without narcotics, without over-the-counter pain meds, and now I'm doing it again. Pushed aside the job. I got fired 3 different times for not complying with rules that didn't make sense to me. And so here I am, once again, not fitting in and not being accepted, but that's okay. I developed the 30-minute Happenis massage. I've been doing it for years and recently started teaching other women how to do it. And now I'm teaching women how to facilitate and teach other women to do it. So it's not just me. And yes, there's people that think that it's horrible. Oh my gosh, how could you do that? Oh my gosh, don't even talk about that. You're not allowed to talk about that here. Guess what? I get to talk about whatever I want to talk about because I don't care if I'm accepted anymore. There are so many men who have erectile dysfunction, so many men who feel like they're not good enough sexually and they have to pretend like they are. They're lacking the confidence because of the things that have happened in their past. Women are lacking confidence because of the things we were blamed for. We've taken responsibility for their erectile dysfunction, and it's time for that to be done. Let's get back to loving each other and connecting and having intimate relationships, because when all of that is flowing well, our creativity increases, and the more creative we can be, the better life is. We come up with solutions that we wouldn't normally find, and I'm excited to be that facilitator to get things going in that direction. The more confident we are, the better we feel about ourselves, the better our decisions are, and the more we love our lives. And that's what life is about. You're gonna get out there and have more experiences and have fun. Look, there's Charlie over there. He always comes close when I'm talking. He wants to hear me. I'm gonna hang up here and start singing to him because he likes that too. Life is so, so good. I love you, bye.